Hello guys, today I want to give you a quick tip for those who want to win freelance clients on Upwork or elsewhere. So I'm back on Upwork, kind of, but not to get the work, but for a social experiment. Does it still work, the thing that I've been doing 10 years ago? So I've put one proposal for a job that looks like this. Full stack developer with attached documentation in PDF that looks like this about the project, scope of work. Pretty typical project for Laravel and Filament, so some forms to submit, some dashboard for admin, nothing really too fancy. And I submitted my proposal, but not to win this job. But I wanted to test whether the client would reply or choose me for the job based on my demo that I created with the help of AI in 3 hours. So this is my recent tweet with the result and liked by 139 people. This still actually works. The approach that I've been doing 10 years ago, which means basically pitching to the client with already something working for something to be clickable. So basically, I gave this job description first to ChatGPT to produce the plan of action, and then sliced it into tasks and phases in Claude Code, and then one by one implemented it with Claude Code with reviewing code on top. So it's kind of vibe coding, but not fully. And this is the result, the homepage where you can fill in the form. Another form is for supplier. And then there's also Filament admin panel. But the main thing is not that I've coded that. The main thing is that I've pushed it on a live server and sent the client the link to click around. Fun thing, I did all of that in the airport while traveling to Laravel meetup in Denmark, in Copenhagen. So I started that while in the airport and then finished it during the co-working session. So Matthias from Geocodio saw me actually finishing this and deploying to Laravel Cloud. Luckily, with Laravel Cloud, it's very easy to transform your GitHub repository into a working URL, which has a dummy subdomain assigned, and then I can send to the client the link to visit the page. It's automatically hibernating to save the costs, and I will show you the costs in a minute. But basically, you have the URL. It will actually go out of sleep, so wake up in roughly 10 to 20 seconds. Hopefully, that's what it usually takes. We'll see. So it's not hibernating anymore. And yeah, the page is working in 10 seconds. I didn't do any pauses here, so that was live waking up outside of hibernation. So yeah, this link went to Upwork with this proposal to the client. And the client actually replied. And they replied with giving more details and more examples and asking for price and estimate, which is a typical thing on Upwork and elsewhere. It's a process of negotiation and details before you even win any job. And often it may be the case that during the negotiation, you kind of see that you don't want that project or that client anymore, or vice versa. Client decides to not go with you. And this is part of freelance life, but this is kind of a side note. My main point is that experiment did work. I did get the reply from the client, although there are 50 plus more proposals for the same job. Now, to be clear and to be honest, I do have unfair advantage because in my pitch, I can use my name and my YouTube channel and my social capital, so to speak. Also, I did boost the proposal because apparently now Upwork has a system of connects that you can add to be kind of on top and more seen to the client. So I did use those, but I think this is kind of cherry on top. The main thing is that the client saw me spending a few hours to create something like this. And this did work for me, as I mentioned, 10 years ago or 5 years ago. So this is an example of a video 8 years ago with our quick admin panel generator we had at the time. This is currently still working, but kind of in a sunset mode because of Filament mostly. And look how many demos I got. Laravel appointment scheduling, sports league app, invitation, and then also a separate video how to pitch clients with help of quick admin panel. So this was exactly what I did 5 to 10 years ago on the same Upwork. And this is actually my overall advice to freelancers who want to win the jobs. So you can use AI like this to vibe code or semi-vibe code if you care more about quality. But at this point, the quality of the code doesn't matter. This is kind of presentation, the pitch, something clickable. And probably that code would be disposable anyway, and you would start from scratch after negotiation with client and after getting more details. The goal here is to kind of get the foot in the door to start talking with the client, for the client to notice you over 50 other candidates. Because in many cases, many freelancers just send general pitches with, I can do this and that for this amount of money and in this time, quite often not even reading the job description originally. This happened 10 years ago, same happens now, with AI probably even more so. So a lot of pitches are even automatic, I imagine. So that human touch and the fact that you spent the time on their project would be a massive win, in my opinion and in my past experience. And for technical side, you don't have to use Laravel Cloud. You may have your own kind of VPS and have subdomain, whatever works for you. But I did find Laravel Cloud as a perfect use case for such disposable demos. In terms of how much it cost, since it's automatically hibernating on that specific environment, I have just 1 CPU hour. What may cost additionally is the database, and in this case I chose MySQL just for convenience, and this is 93 hours. So if I chose Postgres, it would be probably cheaper. And this is my invoice preview for this month for the cloud. It doesn't say specifically which environment. I have one ongoing environment for my note-taking database, which I pay roughly that amount for $15 every month. So as you can see, that new environment didn't bump up the price by any means, just a few dollars on top probably, and I would probably destroy that environment in a few days, depending on whether I get more follow-up from the client or not. To be honest, I would rather not win that job because that was more like social experiment than I actually want to deliver that project, but who knows, we'll see. But yeah, this is my idea to pitch for client work or maybe even a job. You can vibe code something, show something, and that would be a conversation starter for bigger opportunities. What do you think? Have you used such strategy to win client work and did it succeed? Let's discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time and see you guys in other videos.